Hello guys, I got my YouTube channel back. Yeah, I just went to my original account. Now I got my YouTube channel back. I'm very happy, and guys, guess what? So, I have a new laptop. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna play Roblox. So guys, I need you to help me. Just help me. Okay, who's ever seen this? Comment down below how I literally show my screen and my face in the corner like YouTube does, like Kailis, like my favorite YouTuber Kailis does. You must teach me, guys. I really want this. Actually, guys, I actually really want this. I really want this. Guys, help me. Please just help me. Just help me. Just help me. Come on. It's just one thing. Type it in the no, actually. Two things. Type it in the comments. Guys, I need you to type it in the comments. I literally need you all to do this for me. Please, guys. I believe in you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.